Hello everyone, firstly I want to say thank you so much for subscribing, I really do appreciate it. I have now got a new toy, which is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. A little bit of a mouthful, and yeah, I'm switching from Sony to Blackmagic. It's not something that I thought I would do. I initially wanted to get the Sony FX3, but after talking to really creative people and filmmakers, they just said for the money and the amount of kit that you could get with this camera and the quality that you get with this camera, it's worth investing in the Blackmagic. So that's what I've done. In this video, I wanted to basically do an unboxing, show you what's in it. It's my first time ever touching a Blackmagic camera. I've seen a Blackmagic camera before on a shoot, but I've never actually held one or touched one. So yeah, let's get into it. My initial thoughts are, I'm not a massive fan of the aesthetics, and I feel like this is gonna be a reoccurring theme because I don't actually like the design of the camera. I don't like, and I know that's really superficial, but I just think the slickness of Sony and even Canon doesn't, yeah. It's like the colours that they've used and stuff, like you can see, it's just it feels very 90s to me, and let's try it. I'm going to definitely, in this video, so I'm going to do some test shots to see what it looks like. I might go outdoors and try the ND filters also, and yeah, give you an overview of a real first case use look at the Blackmagic 6K Pro. Okay, so in the box we've got the camera strap. Not something that I ever really use. Yeah, just because I put my camera on the gimbal quite a lot, so probably not going to be able to use it. Not going to be using that. Oh, stickers! Wow. Do you remember when like Apple used to give you a sticker with the iPod? Again, won't be using that. DaVinci Resolve Studio. Oh, cool. Okay, there's a little card for the. Okay, so in here we've got, I assume, a charging cable along with a battery. Oh, okay. That's big. That's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it would be heavier, but it's bigger than I thought it would be. Cool. Actually, you can see that. Put the battery in and turn it on and see what this is all about. Is there anything else in there? Oh my God. So, here we have the Blackmagic camera. I tell you what, one thing I like about this camera that is not on my Sony is the ability to, I just spat all over the desk. Yeah, no, you can see that. Is the ability to use it whilst you're charging it, because that is not something that you can do on the Sony, and it's something that I think is really useful. So you can see it. We're going to go to English. Obviously with cameras, they don't make a separate or similar lens. They don't make the same lenses. So this is with the Sony EF mount. So I've got a Sony Nifty 50. Used to love that lens, and then a Sigma 18-25 f1.4. So I'm gonna put this one on there now, just to see what it looks like and see. And again, remember, this is like a beginner's review to the Blackmagic. Wow, that is quite beastly, isn't it? That's heavy. That, I feel like I'm gonna have a workout with this. Nice lens though, it looks, yeah. So actually I can show you what, yeah, I can show you what this is seeing. So I'm not sure how the autofocus is working. So small rig camera. Ow. One thing I love about this camera is the ability to record straight to one of these. I've had just hassle with SD cards and stuff, so the ability to record straight to one of these is a real blessing, actually. Right, I'm gonna go do a test and I will let you know, share some images so you can see the shots, what they look like, and yeah, I need to really get it because it's hard and I don't fully understand it yet. So I'm gonna test it out, try it, and then see. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed those test shots. I really do need to go out and just try the camera. It's something completely new, obviously the new editing software and stuff. So I really need to run and gun, go out and just shoot it. Try different things really. And yeah, it'll be exciting. I will keep the videos updated if that's something you're interested in. So if you have enjoyed this, please consider subscribing and you can see a complete newbie on the Blackmagic 6. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.